During our holiday in Romania, we got to try lots of tasty dishes. From the sour soups that opened every meal to the freshly baked snacks that fueled our days of discoveries, here is the food that we enjoyed the most during our trip and that you should definitely try when you visit the country. Romanian sour soups come in many flavors and colors. I enjoyed the traditional cream tripe soup, but the rest of the family preferred the more common vegetable and meat soups. Cold vegetable soup was my son's favorite during the hot summer. You can get pretzels or Covrigi in almost any Romanian bakery. They are inexpensive and usually baked fresh on the day. It is the perfect quick breakfast or snack on the go. I'm pretty sure we had a pretzel every day during our stay in Romania. The naked sausages or Mici are cooked on an open grill. They are served with mustard and can be found in restaurants as well as fast food stands. Together with the soup, it was my son's favorite food. Sarmale are the national dish in Romania. They are made of cabbage or wine leaves stuffed with minced meat and seasoned with a mix of specific spices. They are on the menu of every Romanian restaurant. Traditionally, sarmale are served with sour cream and polenta. For the entire experience, add pickled cucumbers or tomatoes. No meal is complete without the Romanian traditional dessert, Papanasi. It is a donut covered in cream and sour jam. My son literally inhaled its portion before I could take any more footage of this dish. Let us know in the comments if you tried any of these dishes and which one do you prefer. See you in the next video!